Hey there, fellow kitchen warriors. If you're staring at that frustrating F3E1 error code on your Whirlpool oven, don't panic. I'm here to help you get it sorted out quickly and safely. This error is more common than you might think, and with a few simple steps, you could have your oven back in action. Let's dive right in. First off, what does the F3E1 error mean? It typically signals an issue with the oven's temperature sensor or its wiring. This sensor is crucial because it monitors the internal temperature to ensure everything cooks properly. If it's malfunctioning, your oven won't heat up correctly, leading to this error code popping up on your display. Now, let's talk about the possible causes. The most common culprits include a faulty temperature sensor that's gone bad over time, loose or damaged wires connecting the sensor to the control board, or even a problem with the control board itself. Other factors could be power surges or general wear and tear from regular use. It's always a good idea to check if your oven is still under warranty before diving into repairs. Alright, onto the solutions. Start by unplugging your oven from the power source for at least 30 seconds to reset it. This simple trick fixes minor glitches. Next, inspect the wires connected to the temperature sensor for any signs of damage or looseness. If everything looks okay, you might need to test the sensor with a multimeter. If you're not comfortable with that, it's time to call in a professional technician. Replacing the sensor is usually straightforward and affordable, but always prioritize safety, wear protective gloves and avoid working with live wires. Remember, if the error persists after these steps, it could indicate a deeper issue, so don't hesitate to contact Whirlpool customer support or a certified repair service. By following these tips, you'll be back to baking your favorite meals in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance fixes. Stay tuned, and happy cooking!